My great people, you all are welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time of visiting my channel, please don't forget to give me your thumbs up, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Here is your girl Erica's Beauty Touch. Today I'm going to introduce us to our Longrich factory in Free Zone. I'm showing you around the Longrich factory in Lekki Free Zone, Lagos, Nigeria. I'm so happy and glad to announce to us all that Longrich has finally built its factory in Lagos, and this is very helpful. It will be very helpful and will create a lot of job opportunities, or thousands of job opportunities for the citizens of Nigeria who are seeking for jobs. So this factory that is being set up in Lekki Free Zone, Nigeria, is part of the effort to grow the market reach and sustain the current trade exchange between Nigeria and China. Longrich Chinese Foundation has laid up to $20 million factory at the Lekki $20 million factory at the Lekki Free Zone, Lagos. The factory is the first of its kind to be sited by the Chinese firm outside the shores of China. Longrich is very good at what they are doing. If you are not a member yet, what are you waiting for? Grab this great opportunity and become a full member of Longrich. With what you are seeing, I don't think this is a scam. I don't think this is still, you still need someone to keep preaching to you to join Longrich. This Longrich is a leading Chinese company in the cosmetic industry with more than 1,000 products. Longrich company came to Nigeria in 2012, has potential direct sales of 70 million population around the world, and Longrich is set to become a leading brand name both locally and internationally in different category: care products, household care products, skin care products, personal care products, and daily care products. Longrich was founded in 1986, the company having been through steady growth in both its expansion and market shares, making it one of the most successful private companies leaders in Chinese cosmetic sector and daily care industry, with over 12,000 employees worldwide to her credit. Longrich has one of the largest, if not the biggest, if not the most largest and advanced center in 3 continents for research and development of cosmetics and sales of cosmetics and healthcare products in China, with her trademark registered in 183 countries and products sold in more than 50 countries and regions around the world, including Nigeria. Longrich has an ambitious goal of giving every member not only the chances to live an harmonious and healthy environment, but also build a successful business in every environment she finds herself. My people, Longrich is here for good, and if you can see what I'm showing you now, this factory is being situated in Lekki Free Lagos. And if you are not a member yet, why deceiving yourself? Why stick doubting? Why not take the risk and give yourself, your children, your unborn children, even your grandparents a better life and better future? Longrich is telling you to come and partner with them. You don't need to invest much. You can start with 10,000, 15 naira Nigeria currency, and you see yourself gradually growing up to the next level. So this factory now in Lagos will help in creating more business opportunities and making you have your product at your doorstep. it will not be difficult for us again to be lacking product, Longrich product, waiting for them to send in product before we could sell. Some, this product is kind of scarce because of it is not produced in Nigeria. It's imported from China. But now this factory that is being set up, this product can now be produced in our country. Isn't that a good news? It's a very good news and worth celebrating, because with this, little by little, with this factory, before we know it, development will come into the country. This network and the rest, maybe they will decide to give us a good better life, because Longrich is all about better life and better future. So why not grab this opportunity? If you are not yet registered member, if you have not have your code in purchasing this product, the company price, what are you waiting for? Why not grab this opportunity and become part of a Longrich partner and enjoy its benefit? It has a lot of benefit. Longrich, if you are a member, you are not benefiting from Longrich, or you've registered before, you are finding it difficult to grow your legs, to grow your downliners and carry them along, you are the cause, because you can't sit down in your comfort zone and expect the money to fly and come. You create awareness. What Longrich wants from you is simple. Tell your friend, tell your neighbor, tell your daddy, tell your mommy, tell even your enemies about Longrich. Everybody make use of toothpaste every blessed day. We make use of cream, we make use of water and the rest. So why not create this awareness, grab this great opportunity and give yourself and your family a better life and a better future, and also get all its benefits by achieving and gaining from Longrich. Grab this opportunity. This company I'm saying, this factory I'm saying, is not a little factory. They've invested almost $30. You all know what it comes. $30 means in Naira. So it's not a children company, like I would say. So why not grab this opportunity and become a Longrich member? You may ask, how do I become a Longrich member? It's so simple and easy. Just follow me on Instagram, Erica's Beauty Touch. I promise to put you through and guide you properly. Also chat me on Facebook, Erica's Beauty Touch. You can also leave a comment on my comment box. I will guide you properly on how to go about this Longrich business. Location is never a barrier. This is in our country. This is happening right in Nigeria. But wherever you are, even if you are not in Nigeria at the moment, don't say I don't need this. After all, I'm not in the country. You will need it maybe later on. So don't you think that with this development coming into Nigeria, that becoming a member won't be as easy as you thought? Because now we are asking you to join. You don't want to grab the opportunity. Time shall come, you will be the one asking them that you want to be a member, and they will give you a long protocol or procedure to follow. So now that is better, is easier for you to join. As you join, your family members will be registered under you. 3 members of your family will be registered under you for free when you register. So why not carry them along instead of giving them that money to waste on beer or to waste on meaningless something that will not benefit them? Why not help them to create this future? Yeah, it may not be easy from the beginning, it may not be easy from the start, but with time, you will enjoy everything.
Hello people, it's been a while
keep
here.
Watching
I'm
and
Nadine,
let me know what
and
you
I'm
think.
a partner with the 34-year-old global manufacturing company based in China. You know, apart from Longrich being the biggest manufacturing company in the whole of Asia, it has won many awards on quality and service delivery. You know, our very own Longrich has more than 2,000 plus high-quality products, ranging from health, cosmetics, personal care, skin care, health industry, household items and furnitures. And I want to tell you about them today. But before that, do you know that Longrich produces for other multinational companies like Unilever, Walmart, Tesco, GSK, Avon, Samsung etc.? Longrich has 8 research institutes around the globe. The next one is coming up in Lekki Free Trade Zone, Lagos State, Nigeria. The first on the African continent to take care of the African market. Longrich platform was created to reward product user. The product benefits are quite enormous and also very futuristic. Now to the products. Health vintage wine which enhances immunity. It also detoxify and cleanses. Alkaliner pie cup, Cordyceps militaris coffee, vitamin C tablets, Arthrosip reviver, Menkin for female. Libao for male. Calcium tablets, berry oil, Zincang tea, Tianjong tea / blood fat reducing tea, slimming tea. Bonem, body wash, mosquito repellent, bamboo soap, mouth freshener, toothpaste, brightening hand cream, body cream, sod milk, antiperspirant dew. Shampoo, baby cream, white tea shampoo, shampoo for cleansing and treatment, heat powder, superb clean napkin, 4-in-1, panty liner, cup filter. Energy pot, Nutrivirich, blue, Nutrivirich, pink, A+ energy shoes for male and female. Demo kit, seed box, text pass gadget, water tester, syringe, indicator, vaginal, power bank, condom. These are just but a few listed Longrich products. In my next video I will be enlightening you on the usefulness of these products and how you can acquire them if you desire. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so that you won't miss out on any of the updates. Drop a thumbs up by clicking the like button and drop a comment below. Don't forget to invite your friends to do same by sharing this video.